up guys, it's your girl Star Creeps here and today I'm playing a new game called Would You Rather. So I'm going to go online. I just downloaded this game. So I would rather do teas. I'm sorry about that, that's just a stupid ad which played out of nowhere in the middle. So I had to stop my record. Now I restarted it. So would you rather spend a year at war or spend a year in prison? I don't want to spend a year in prison. I would rather spend a year at war fighting for the country. So more people want to spend time in prison. Come on, prison is just like hell. Would you rather have super strength or have super speed? Super speed because I'm already very strong. I would rather have I would rather have super speed because I can win school running races if I'm super speed. So more people want to be super speed. Yeah, I guess a lot of people are as slow as me. Would you rather brush your teeth with rocks or drink milk that smells like ew, bad breath? Yuck. This is the grossest question ever. Yes, so I would rather brush my teeth with rocks. Charcoal, probably. Would you rather become Superman for a year but you die at the end, or be in med school for life with no income but never complete it? This. Okay, more people want to become Superman and die. Would you rather stay the age you are physically forever or stay the way you are now financially forever? I don't want to stay the age physically forever. I want to grow up. So stay the way you are now financially forever. Okay. More people want to stay same age forever. Would you rather be best friends with a dog or be best friends with a human? I already have so many human best friends, so best friends with a dog it is. Okay, more people want best friends with human. Would you rather sneeze non-stop for 15 minutes once every day or sneeze once every 3 minutes of the day while you're awake? I would rather sneeze non-stop for I would rather sneeze once every 3 minutes. Okay, more people want to sneeze every 3 minutes. Would you rather be lazy or be lazier than lazy? Be lazy, not lazier than lazy. Otherwise, I will never get any work done. So more people want to do that. Would you rather win gold at the Olympics or discover a new periodic table element? I want to win gold at the Olympics. Okay, 200 people are sporty like me. Would you rather always be hot or always be cold? Nah, I would rather always be cold. More people want to be hot. Would you rather have a comforting lie or hear an uncomfortable truth? Uncomfortable truth, obviously. More people want to hear the truth. That's great. 59 people who don't want to hear the truth. I have to tell you something. Truth is the truth. You need to hear it whether it's good or bad. If it's bad, you can alter yourself so that you never have to hear any bad truths. Would you rather be asked the same question over and over again or never be spoken to ever again? I would rather be asked the same question over and over again. But this reminds me of myself. I always ask the same question to every person I see and they get annoyed. So let's go on. Would you rather kiss a snake or kiss a jellyfish? Ew! Gross. I would rather kiss nobody. So I'll just blindly choose something. Okay, kiss a snake I chose. 533 people agree to kiss a snake. But a jellyfish, ew, it stings. It depends on the snake which I kiss. Would you rather lose your long-term memory or lose your short-term memory? Short-term memory loss. 130 people want to lose whatever they learned. Would you rather sip gin with Ryan Reynolds or shoot tequila with Dwayne Johnson? Nah, I would rather do nothing because I'm against alcoholic drinks. Nah, I can't do that. So I'll just randomly choose something. Okay, let's ignore that question because I'm against such stuff. Die today and live tomorrow, live today and die tomorrow. Die today and live tomorrow. Whoa, more people agree this. Would you rather eat only pizza for a year or not eat any pizza for 5 years? Oh dang it, I love pizza. So I would rather eat only pizza for a year. 9:45. Would you rather take a pill a day for nutrients and to feel full but never eat anything again, or eat whatever you want but never really feel full? That song is copyrighted, so I didn't sing it properly. Please comment down below what song you guess I sang. I would rather have this. Okay, more people want to eat a lot but not feel full. Would you rather have your own theme park or have your own zoo? Theme park, obviously. I don't want to capture animals. Would you rather give up the internet or give up having a bath? Showering for a month. Give up the internet, obviously. It depends on the time. More people want to stay dirty for a month. Ew. Would you rather go back in past or have a look into your future? I would rather go back to. Nah, I would rather have a look in my future so that I can alter my future. Would you rather fly or breathe underwater? Fly, because anyways when I swim I can hold my breath for a long time underwater. Would you rather cuddle a koala or pal around with a panda? I don't. A panda, obviously. Okay. Would you rather be a celebrity but lonely or have. Oh, what the heck is that? Nah, ignore that. Would you rather be a celebrity but lonely or have friends but normal? I'd rather be a normal kid but have friends. Would you rather be hairless but allergic to the sun or be hairy and always sweating? Hairless. I can wear a wig anytime. Would you rather be 30 or 20? 20, obviously. The younger the better. Please don't be offended. Please don't be offended, old people. Nah, that's just a background noise. Would you rather dance for life but you're an idiot or be smart but you can't dance? I can dance and I'm not an idiot. So I would rather be smart but can't dance. I can learn dance anytime. 5:37 people want to be smart and not dance. Would you rather wrestle a bear or wrestle an alligator? A bear, obviously, because I heard that bears are vegetarian. Please comment down below if bears are vegetarian or no. Yes, it depends on the bear. Would you rather have people spread a terrible lie about you or have people spread terrible but true tales about you? This. True tales. Why ask them to spread something which is not even true? That's not fair. Would you rather be stranded in the jungle or be stranded in the desert? Jungle, because I love greenery, forests. I can make friends with animals. I can live my life just like Mowgli from Jungle Book. Would you rather give up coffee or give up soda? Give up coffee because I don't drink coffee much. Would you rather never be able to keep anyone else's secrets or have someone tell all of your secrets? Have someone tell all of my secrets rather. More people want to give up their friend's secret. Okay. Communicate only in an emoji or never be able to text at all ever again. Communicate only with an emoji. More people want to communicate with the emoji. Would you rather be tall and average looking or be 3 feet tall but beautiful? I am 5 feet tall and beautiful, but I would rather be tall and average looking. I can become beautiful by plastic surgery or makeup. No, that's okay. Would you rather have a scorpion pet or have a tarantula pet? Tarantula. So this is the last and final question. After that, this video is over, but I'll still continue a part 2 of this series. Not series though. I'll still continue a part 2 of this video. Would you rather invent something new or discover something new? I want to discover something new so that people can know that I discovered it. More people would like to invent something new, but that's okay. So that's all for today, guys. If you want a part 2, please make sure to like and subscribe, and please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will upload a part 2. Love you guys. Bye.